Hello, my name is Chris Leone, Senior Vice President of Application Development here at Oracle, representing our Human Capital Management Cloud. And I'm excited to tell you that our HCM Cloud is now one of the leading deployed HR systems globally. And we have our customers to thank who have been driving us to deliver more innovation into our platform to help them meet their day-to-day business challenges. Now, when we talk about customer success, we just had 1.7 million employees go live on our HCM system in January of this year across all industries. In healthcare alone, we had 8 different customers go live. Customers like Northwell Health, Atrium Health, Indiana University Health. Those healthcare customers represent and are caring for 26 million Americans annually, which is just a staggering number. But we also have customers in hospitality, like Marriott Corporation, and in security services, like Securitas. So our customer momentum and customer success has just been incredible. Now, why are customers choosing our HCM Cloud? Because it has the most capabilities delivered on a single integrated platform. It has the most mobile capabilities. And for the 3rd year in a row, we've been ranked #1 in Gartner's Critical Capabilities quadrant for large enterprises. But we're not stopping there. We're not resting on our laurels. In our spring update, this is our biggest innovation release ever. We're delivering a full skills platform across our HR suite that is built on our artificial intelligence engine. We're delivering an end-to-end employee experience platform to allow you to extend processes and workflows to all systems within your enterprise. We're delivering new capabilities around diversity, equity, and inclusion, because that's a boardroom topic now. And we're delivering new enhancements for cybersecurity to help protect stay-at-home workers from fraud. So join me on April 13th for our HCM Summit to hear about all these cool new innovations that we're delivering. Now is the time to move to the cloud and have all of this innovation at your fingertips. So pivot forward, become more agile, and always make work more human. See you in April.